Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will talk about switch case statement. First we will see the syntax and then we will see a program using switch case. So here is the switch case statement syntax. So within the bracket of switch where I have written user's choice, there will be an integer or a character type variable of choice. Then within a brace there will be cases, a list of cases, and within the cases there will be the statements according to the cases, and there will be a break statement at the end of every cases. So at the end of the all case values there will be a default statement where we will print that the choice is default or the choice has an error or user does not make a right choice options, so like that. So this is a very simple switch case statement syntax. And now we will see what is the purpose of using break statements. So the break statements is frequently used to terminate the process of a particular case within a statement. It breaks the inner loop first and then proceeds to the out loop. So what is the inner loop? The code that is written within the braces, curly braces, is called the loop. That is the switch case statement block. When program control will encounter with the break, it will get out of the loop or out of the block and it will execute further instructions. So now we will see a program where I have used switch case. Here we are constructing a calculator. So include stdio.h I have taken, then I have taken my int main, and now we will take two variables, that is x, y, and a res variable where the result will be stored. And for division that can give a floating type result, that's why we will take a q, that is a float type variable, to store the quotient. And then we will take another ch variable for choice, that the input of choice that we will take as integer here. So we have included a declared a ch variable in int. Okay, first we will give the operations that is available in our program. So just give a heading of operations, and now we will give the operations name that is available for users in this program. So printf /n we will give \n. The \n will help us to print a new line after the operation statement. So \n, number 1 will be our addition, number 2 will be our subtraction, and number 3 will be our multiplication, and the last option for user will be a division. So here our list of operations is ready. Now we will give another message to user that user can choose any number from 1, 2 and 3 and 4 for doing their respective operations. So we will print that enter your choice, and we will also give the option that will be scanned into the integer variable ch that we have declared earlier. So after making the list of operations, now we will send a message to user that enter your first number and enter your second number, and we will scan those numbers into x and y respectively. So our input part is complete here. Now our switch case part starts. So within switch we will take ch here. We can only take integer, otherwise we can take character, but we have taken ch as integer, the choice as integer, so we have taken the ch in switch. Now we will write the cases. So for case 1, if user gives input 1, so ch equals to 1, so now we have to do the addition operation for user. So the sum will be stored into res, and res equals to x plus y. Now we will simply print the result that is the sum is % equals to, that is the RES. So for the first case, if user gives 1, so the ch value is equals to 1, so the first case will be executed. Getting the result of first case, now we will give a break because we don't need to execute further cases. So now we will write for case 2 and case 3 and case 4. You can write it manually, otherwise you can simply copy paste it and change wherever it is needed. So as I have copy pasted all the cases, so for now I will change it to case 2, and for case 2 it will be a minus and the sum will be a difference. The result is also stored in RES. And then the break for case 3, when ch equals to 3, the operation is multiplication. The breaks here help us to get out of the cases. So break is very important. And now for the case 4, we have to do a division, and for division, as we have declared x and y as integer type variables, so we need to typecast here as float. And the result will be stored into q. We have taken q as a floating type variable to store the quotient. And at last there will be a default statement where we will give a message that wrong input of choice, because the choice does not match with any cases, right? So now we will run. So first we will give 1. We have given 2 numbers. See, the sum is 600. 500 plus 100. So now we will give option 2. Let's give second number 88, and the difference is minus 10. For the case 3, we will enter our choice, that is 3. We need to do a multiplication here. But let's give 50 and the second number 30. So the product is 1500. And our last option is division. So we will enter our choice 4 here. And the first number, let's take 45, and second number is 9. So the quotient is equals to 5.000, as we have taken q as float. What if we do not give any of the options? So it will give us, let's give an option 8 that is not within our options. So we have to give our inputs, but the default statement will be printed that wrong input of choice. But now I don't want to give the input statements when the choice is wrong, right? The option number is wrong. So delete our printf and scanf statement where we have scanned x and y, and we will give it within the cases, within every cases. It will increase the line of coding, but in the default statement it will help us not to take input, though the option does not match with the user's choice. So for that we will simply delete these 2 statements and we will paste it within cases. So here for every case you have to give inputs. So first you have to choose your case, then you will have to give input, and for the default you don't have to give input because your option is wrong, so you don't need to give your input. So now let's run the program and see what if we give, so that is 8, see, the wrong input of. So this is all about our calculator constructing program using switch case. I hope you guys understand the logic behind it, the syntax of switch case. So thank you for watching.